Hi everyone, let's see how we can fix this error while trying to use the video recorder using Snipping Tool. To get started, simply search for Snipping Tool, right click over it and click on App Settings. Now scroll down and click on Repair first and then reset the app. And this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then come here again and simply uninstall the app, clicking here. Once uninstalled, open Microsoft Store. Search for Snipping Tool. Click on the app and install it. After installing it, the issue should get resolved. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next step. Simply go to Windows Settings, then click on System, go to Display, and scroll down and click on Graphics. From here, click on Add Microsoft Store app and select Snipping Tool from this list. Once selected, scroll down and click on Snipping Tool. Under GPU Preference, select this drop down and click on High Performance, and this should fix the issue. However, if this doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next step. Simply search for Device Manager. Expand the display adapter option and update your GPU driver, and this should definitely fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.